potato and egg curry. Hello and welcome. It's Sunday morning here. Let's make egg curry today in an instant pot. So for an egg curry, we need 2 to 4 boiled eggs, 4 small potatoes, half cup of yogurt and half cup of tomato puree and half cup of roasted or fried onion. Then here we have spices, everything 1 teaspoon but the turmeric and red chili powder. So this is half teaspoon turmeric and red chili powder, and everything else is 1 teaspoon, which is Kashmiri red chili powder or paprika 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, roasted cumin seed powder or crushed cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, and I have an egg curry masala or hot spices or any hot spices powder you have 1 teaspoon. I have it here, egg curry masala. So that's the 1 teaspoon egg curry masala. Now here we are having fresh ginger 1 teaspoonful and fresh coconut milk. You can also use coconut powder 1 tablespoon. Otherwise we have everything dried, roasted onion, all spices dried, only puree and ginger and yogurt. I cut these potatoes into half and also make a slit on an egg 1 or 2 times. So the spices will go inside. Now let's mix everything in the pot. We are adding all the spices, dry roasted onions, here's the ginger, coconut milk or fresh coconut or desiccated coconut 1 tablespoon you can add, and also yogurt, and last but not the least it's tomato puree. Now mix everything well. Now my instant pot is not on yet. Now add just a cup of water, all your potatoes. Instead of small 4 potatoes, you can even add 2 to 4 more eggs, boiled eggs. But here I am adding only 2 boiled eggs, slit twice, and 4 small potatoes. Mix again, and now all right, here's 1/4 cup of oil or 4 tablespoons of oil. Now close the instant pot lid, seal the vent or lock it, and start on pressure cook. Look here, pressure cook mode, just for 2 minutes. Start. After 2 minutes, release the vent, let the steam go out, and then open it. After 2 minutes, vent the steam out, and now let's check it. Wow, Our curry is ready. Now I will dish it out and show you. Let's dish it out. Lovely. So beautiful. Now here's the tip. If you think that's too much oil, take out some of the oil and keep aside. You can use it on dal or any other vegetable or stir fry vegetable. But the tip is, if there is not enough oil, sometimes it burns. That's why you need enough oil and enough liquid. Sprinkle some chaat masala and adjust the salt and serve in a dish. One more tip, if you don't want this thick, you can also add one more cup of water. So enjoy this egg curry with any kind of bread. Thank you for watching. Bye.